2026 is your year. Hello. Welcome to English Tone. I'm really glad you're here. Today, I want to talk about one simple idea. 2026 is your year. Not maybe, not someday. Your year. Many people say this every year. But nothing changes. This time can be different. This time can be real. Learning English can change your life. It opens doors. It builds confidence. It gives you a voice. But only if you stay consistent. Let's be honest. You may have tried before. You may have stopped. You may have felt tired. That does not mean you failed. It means you are human. What matters is this moment. Right now. This moment is a new start. 2026 is not about perfection. It is about progress. Small progress. Daily progress. That is enough. You don't need to be fluent fast. You need to be steady. 10 minutes a day matters. 20 minutes matters more. One day at a time. English grows with time. Think about where you are now. You understand some English. You can say simple sentences. That is already success. Now imagine the end of 2026. You listen and understand more. You speak without fear. You feel calm. That version of you is possible. But only if you show up. Every day. Let's talk about mindset. Many learners say, "My English is bad." Change that sentence. Say this instead. "My English is growing." Words matter. Your brain listens to you. If you say negative things, your brain believes them. If you speak kindly, your brain feels safe. A safe brain learns faster. Now let's talk about habits. Habits are stronger than motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. Choose a simple habit. Listen to English every day, even for 5 minutes. Speak one sentence out loud. Write one short line. That's it. Simple habits change everything. You do not need many resources. You need consistency. One podcast, one notebook, one routine. That is enough. Now let's talk about fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of judgment. Fear of sounding wrong. Fear is normal, but fear should not control you. Every mistake is a teacher. Every sentence you try builds courage. People who speak well today made many mistakes before. They did not quit. You should not quit either. Now let's talk about English in real life. English is not only books. It is life. Think in English when you wake up. I am awake. It is morning. Think in English when you eat. I am hungry. The food is good. This trains your brain. No pressure, no rules, just awareness. Now let's talk about patience. Learning English takes time. Some days feel great. Some days feel slow. Slow days are normal. Do not stop on slow days. Slow progress is still progress. Now let's talk about belief. You must believe one thing. You can learn English, not because you are special, but because you are consistent. Consistency beats talent. Every time. Now let's talk about commitment. Ask yourself one question. Am I willing to try every day? Not perfectly, just honestly. If the answer is yes, then 2026 is your year. This year is about showing up. Even when you feel tired, even when you feel bored, those moments matter most. Now imagine something. 1 year from now, you listen to English and smile. You speak and feel proud. You say, "I didn't quit." That feeling is powerful. And it starts today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today, say this to yourself. 2026 is my year. I am learning English. I am consistent. Say it again. Believe it. This podcast is here to help you. English Tone is here for you. You are not alone. Walk this path step by step. Stay patient. Stay kind to yourself. And remember this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. Now let's talk about direction. Many people start learning English without a plan. They watch random videos. They download many apps. This feels busy, but it is not effective. In 2026, choose direction. Direction means you know what you are doing each day. For example, Monday is for listening. Tuesday is for speaking. Wednesday is for writing. Thursday is for review. Friday is for fun English. Simple. Clear. Your brain likes clarity. Clarity reduces stress. Now let's talk about routine again. A routine saves energy. When English has a fixed time, you don't think. You just do it. Morning works for many people. Evening works for others. Choose one. Make it your English time. Protect it. Now, let's talk about environment. Your environment shapes behavior. If English is far away, you forget it. Bring English closer. Change your phone language. Follow English pages. Listen to English while walking. English becomes normal. Normal things are easier to do. Now let's talk about speaking confidence again. Confidence grows when you speak before you feel ready. Waiting for readiness delays progress. Speak now. Improve later. One sentence today is better than silence. Now let's talk about mistakes again. Mistakes are signs of effort. Every fluent speaker made them. You are not behind. You are building. Now let's talk about motivation. Motivation is emotional. It changes. Some days you feel inspired. Some days you don't. That is why habits matter. On low days, habits carry you. 5 minutes still counts. Now let's talk about listening depth. Listen to the same content many times. The first time you hear sounds. The second time, you hear words. The third time, you hear meaning. Repetition is powerful. Now let's talk about shadowing. Shadowing means repeating after the speaker. Pause the audio. Repeat the sentence. This improves rhythm and confidence. You don't need to be perfect. Just try. Now let's talk about journaling. Write one short paragraph each day. Very simple. Today I felt tired. I listened to English. I learned a new word. This builds thinking skills. Now let's talk about feedback. Feedback helps growth. You don't need many people. One teacher. One community. One trusted source. Quality matters. Now let's talk about comparison again. Social media shows highlights, not effort. Do not compare. Focus on your path. Now let's talk about mental health. Stress blocks learning. Be kind to yourself. Rest when needed. You are not late. Now let's talk about vision again. Picture the end of 2026. You speak calmly. You understand clearly. You feel proud. That vision fuels action. Return to it often. Now let's slow down again. Take a breath. Feel grounded. You are doing something meaningful. Language opens worlds. English gives access. But the real gift is confidence. Confidence changes how you walk, how you speak, how you see yourself. 2026 is not just about English. It is about growth. It is about becoming stronger, more patient, more confident. And English is part of that journey. Stay with it. Stay consistent. One day at a time. You are closer than you think. And this year, this is your year. At this point, you know something important. You don't need luck. You don't need talent. You need commitment. Commitment is quiet. It shows up daily. In 2026, choose to show up. Even on days when you feel tired. Even on days when you feel unsure. Those days shape you the most. Now let's talk about identity. Stop saying, I am learning English. Start saying, I am an English learner. This small change matters. It becomes part of who you are, not something extra. Now let's talk about confidence one more time. Confidence does not come from knowing everything. It comes from trying anyway. Every time you speak, you prove something to yourself. You prove that fear does not control you. Now let's talk about consistency again. Consistency is boring, but boring works. Excitement fades. Habits stay. Choose boring progress over excited quitting. Now let's talk about patience again. You will not wake up fluent, but you will wake up better. That is enough. Now let's talk about gratitude. Be grateful for your effort. Be grateful for your time. Many people never start. You did. That matters. Now let's talk about reflection. At the end of each week, ask yourself, what did I learn? What felt hard? What felt easy? This helps direction. Now let's talk about courage. Courage is speaking even when your voice shakes. Courage is trying again after mistakes. You are courageous. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. English is a tool, not the goal. The goal is connection. The goal is opportunity. The goal is confidence. English helps you reach those things. Now let's slow everything down. Take one deep breath. Feel where you are. This moment matters. This decision matters. 2026 is not waiting for you. You are creating it. Every small action builds your future. Every word you learn matters. Every sentence you speak matters. So make a promise to yourself. Not a perfect promise, a real one. I will not quit. I will keep going. I will be patient. Say it quietly. Believe it. English Tone will walk with you. This podcast will support you. You are not alone. And remember this: progress is quiet. Growth is slow, but the result is powerful. 2026 is your year, not because it is easy, but because you chose to continue, and that choice changes everything.